Welcome to Berkshire's latest video for this Vauxhall Adam. This is the Glam model, first registered March 2014, 14 registered, 100 brake horsepower, 1.4 5-speed car, manufacturer's claimed average 55.4 mpg and only 119 grams of CO2, which equates to only £30 a year road tax. The car is finished in white and features the optional VXR styling pack along with a whole host of other factory options. The car is in excellent condition externally, benefiting from a full service history comprising 5 services, the last of which was done August 2018 at 32,000 miles. MOT valid through until the 28th of Feb 2019. Only advisory at that point was brake discs and pads, which have subsequently been replaced. The interior of the car, like the exterior, is in super condition, benefiting from the optional half leather interior. Car features, amongst other options, the illuminated roof lining, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, cruise control, automatic headlamp illumination, DAB radio with separate auxiliary USB, Bluetooth music audio streaming, as well as the optional rear parking sensors. The car is fully prepared for sale, will be supplied with 2 remote control keys, full book pack, lock and wheel bolt, full set of tailored carpet mats, Thank you for watching this latest video brought to you by Berkshire Used Cars, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website where you'll find full information regarding the extended warranties we have on offer, as well as our interactive finance calculator. The current low rate finance offer is only a 4.5% flat rate, so this example is over a 4-year term with a 10% deposit, monthly payments of £169 and a penny. Thank you.